Mac, all dressed in black, black,
Hey,
black.
guess what, guys?
What?
You gotta keep it a secret.
Okay.
I have magic powers.
Yeah, right. Huh?
Well, then prove it.
Yeah. Okay, we believe you. We're sorry.
Wait, come back! Wait! Please come back, it's okay. No,
How'd you do that?
I told you before, I'm magic. Yeah, but how'd you get magic powers? Come sit down with me and I'll tell you. I was walking in the woods and I found this box. I opened it and something rushed out at me.
What was it?
I couldn't tell. It was this big white thing. Well, then it told me something, but I couldn't understand.
And then what?
It sounded like a frog or something. Well, no, not a frog, but it was strange. I couldn't understand.
So, what kind of things can you do?
Yeah, what kind of things can you do? Well, I don't exactly know, but there's a couple of things I know I can do.
Whoa.
Like, well, I can't tell you, but I might be able to show you.
Well, what kind of things can you do then? Can you fly?
I don't exactly know.
Oh.
Well, can you disappear? I think so.
Can you show us some more stuff?
Well, not tonight. Maybe tomorrow. But you guys cannot tell a single soul. This is a really big secret.
I can't tell anybody?
Nobody. How about me? No one either. Nobody can know about this, okay?
Okay.
Okay,